Here we go, here we go, we go, we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Here we go, whoop, whoop. Here we go, what? Here we go, whoop, whoop. Here we go, what?
Today we're doing washi.
What's washi tape?
What?
The washing machine.
This is, the Bestie Crafts show. If you stumbled here on accident, just stay put. It's fine. So here's my washi tape. It's not stored in a wonderful manner, as it probably should be. I'm thinking something with wooden dowels and being able to see them all. I know I believe it's We Are, sells a container where you can stick them on and actually roll it off. But that's, I think, if you have 10. I have way too many. I need so many layers of that.
That sounds like too much work.
It's too much work, really.
Yeah.
So this works, and I don't mind looking through it. It makes me happy. Sometimes I buy them and don't open them. Well, whatever. So what I'm going to do is show a few ways to use washi tape. Washi tape is a decorative, usually, tape that is made of paper. And in general, the purpose of washi tape is to put something on a surface, and if you need to take it off again, that's fine. Like if I was stamping and I had this here, I'd put a little washi on the corners to hold it still, whatever, take it off. But you can use it for so many things.
So it's a temporary tool?
It is.
What?
I'm breaking.
Hey, so I need a ride.
Okay.
Home.
One way is if you write someone a letter, like a letter out of regular, like with a pen or type it or whatever, you're mailing it, Happy Mail. And then you're going to take a washi. Let's see. Oh, which one should I use? You pick. Okay. This is fun. It's a tape measure looking one.
Yes. That's why I picked it. Maybe because I like tools.
Yeah, and you love yellow. You do pick things.
No,
color.
I don't like yellow.
Okay. Oh no!
I hate it.
So I'm gonna go like these. I'm gonna take my scissors and I kind of try and do it so it matches the whatever it is.
The envelope.
Yep.
Angle.
Envelope angle.
Look at me.
I know, you know what you're talking about, really. And then this one, and I go like this, and I cut the doo-ba-doo like that ish. Get off there.
Oh geez, I think you just ruined it.
I almost ruined it.
No.
So this is how you seal the envelope. I mean, you lick the envelope first, please. I mean, you got to make sure it's safe. But it's kind of fun to decorate.
I think that might be safer actually, because then you're not spreading your germs. Have you ever thought about that?
I didn't think about
if you
it.
really lick that envelope.
If you lick it a lot, I could see how that could be an issue.
And then the person on the other end, they don't know you licked the heck out of it. They're like touching all your spit.
If somebody does this and puts washi on there, I don't open it that way. I use like a paper. An opener. A letter opener.
Oh, I could see how you do that.
So that's kind of fun. Whatever. Now, another way, which is fun, is we're going to make a card out of washi tape. What?
Yay! Washi tape!
So, are you going to do it?
All
right, you want to pick?
Sure.
Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go across this card with washi tape.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Question. Now my brain is thinking.
Okay, or
why wouldn't I just use a card or a piece of scrapbook paper?
We could do that.
Pattern.
That was the other idea. We'll
I
do
like
this
the
side.
washi tape better because it's more fun.
Okay, so let's say this is going to go on your card, but we'll decorate the paper first. I like that idea.
I want to do whatever you tell me to.
This is yellow. It doesn't matter. We're going to cover it up.
Oh!
Pick your favorites. Go.
Yes, sir.
Well, I could tell you a little story
Okay.
about my childhood.
Go ahead.
When I was young, well, there was a rumor going around the neighborhood that there was a lady up the street
Okay.
that had missing toes.
Oh, yes.
I
You
told
did
this
tell me
one?
the story,
Okay.
yes.
She had missing toes. So, me and my friends devised a plan so that we could see if it was true or not. We wanted to know if she was missing toes.
Right.
So, we went into her yard and picked some flowers.
Okay.
I think it was her yard.
Mm-hmm.
And then we took them to the door.
Okay.
And do I just go straight across?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Took them to the door, and immediately, like, we looked down at her feet. Like, we're holding the flowers here, like this, and then we looked down at the feet, and sure enough, she was missing toes.
Oh my gosh.
It was crazy. And then she gave us a quarter for the flowers.
They were hers.
They
Probably.
I think they were hers.
So go all the way across and tape it on each side.
Oh.
Like that. You don't have to be precise. There you go.
That's
That was-
my problem. I'm a little precise.
Mhm.
Okay, now do the bottom.
It's up to you. We're going to do a whole sheet of it. But you got to find things that'll match what you've chosen.
In my childhood. Whoops. I missed this little spot. Is that okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
What goes
Let's
with
see.
camouflage? Nothing.
Well, I'm gonna make something work.
Okay. There's jungle leaves.
This looks like salmon.
Ooh, yeah, it does. I love salmon.
Oh yeah.
I haven't done sushi in a while.
Who are we kidding?
Oh, I love salmon.
If you guys want to donate to Bestie,
Betsy, she'd love that.
Betsy would love it.
Oh, you're doing a pattern.
Isn't that what I'm supposed to do?
Sure.
Oh wait, I don't have to, right?
You don't have to.
Do you ever go like this?
No, we're not doing that today. We don't want to get crazy.
It doesn't look right like that. I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
If you want to donate to Bestie Crafts,
We like sushi.
we'll treat ourselves to sushi. Just letting you know.
Yeah. We'll treat ourselves.
I mean,
we should use it for more product, but we'll just
we're
treat ourselves.
Just being honest here.
So are you just finding
full disclosure?
I think you're finding just your favorite ones.
Yes.
And that's fine.
Yes.
Do it.
That kind of go together.
Well, I don't know about that.
It just takes me longer than most people.
No, you're fine. Doesn't matter. Everybody can watch you as you dig through. It's really fun.
I haven't even got to see them all yet.
Some brands are better than others.
Some brands
Hello?
are better than others.
Oh, no, that's Morrissey.
Some girls' mothers.
Hello?
Some girls are better than others. How do you
Is that
know that's
Morrissey?
Yeah, it's a
Because it makes me want to throw up. That's probably why. I've never been a fan.
But you know the songs.
Of course
I
I
mean, I could
do.
just like hum a little
Look
bit.
at that. Dead people.
That's cool. I could hum just a little bit of the wood.
I love wood.
There we go. There's more wood.
Yeah, there's a few woods.
America!
America. There you go.
All right.
Okay. This is good time. I like it. You're doing it.
Let's see.
Do you want me to get him started for you?
Sure.
Okay.
That seems
I'll do
to be.
that, 'cause I have kind of a...
Seems to be what takes me.
I actually have long nails now. I used to bite my nails a lot from nervousness. And then I started working at Craft Warehouse. And it makes me so happy. And now I have fingernails.
Aww.
Well, I was so stressed out at my other
That's
jobs.
sweet.
Yeah.
It's very sweet that job
I mean, I
is
was
good
biting
for
them.
your emotional.
It is.
It is.
I mean, even if I'm at the registers, people bring up their stuff they want to buy, and it's like, oh, I love that.
We love
Or-
it.
You know the Target lady on SNL?
I'm on the clock and ready to rock!
And she's checking
I
out
didn't watch
somebody from Target, and she's like, where'd you get these? And they go, I think I got them, and she's gone. And then she brings them back. I'm so excited, I'm going to buy these after work. This is great! Like, she's so excited about Target.
Weird.
I know, it's fun. It's funny.
I've never been excited about Target like that.
We went into Target the other day because Kelly's like, let's go into Target. Okay, we go in there and she goes, I'm bored. Let's go home.
It is boring. Oh, okay. So I go there,
Yeah.
and I'm like, I don't know if I want to go here because what if I have to go to the bathroom? Someone's gonna walk in on me
Yeah.
because there's a You know.
Nope.
They got their genders there.
No, they don't.
No, I know. That's what I was gonna say. They don't.
Yeah.
I was surprised because I didn't have to decide.
Don't worry about wasting it.
I am.
Help yourself. Like,
No.
don't be shy.
I know how much this stuff costs. What? Look what I did.
Oh my gosh, you keep doing it.
I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry.
America.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
That's all I got.
So, I'm going to pull her up.
Okay, careful. Okay, now I understand better
Okay, that didn't work.
why you use the washi tape. Because before I thought I was going to cover the whole page with the same tape.
Oh no, I
wasn't-
meant different.
I wasn't thinking about how I could mix and match.
Multiples.
Now I understand.
I don't know that you do, but at least you got it done. You know?
No, I do. I have a better understanding than before. Oh no.
Well, yeah,
You
that
can't
is
send
an
a
issue.
card out like looking like that.
We should
Ugh.
send it to Kisa. Or so.
Oh! Sorry, I'm a perfectionist.
Yeah, that's good.
There you go.
All right.
All right.
There we go. We did it. See, that's from a different video. There we are. That's our thing. And then what we would do is adhere it to here. And look it. It's a beautiful card.
Custom cards.
Custom cards. If somebody would like this card, leave us a comment under this video and we will send you this card.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's incredibly decorative.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And just leave us some comments. We'll pick the best, our favorite comments.
It's very manly. Very manly.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Well.
yeah.
Okay, so there's that. I had one more thing.
Are you good? Oh, okay, wait.
Yeah.
Can you make one now? I want to see what you're going to do.
Okay, I'll do it.
I want to see which ones you'll pick.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let me cut this.
Oh, earthquake.
Oh, did you bump the thing again?
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Earthquake. Woo-wee.
That's fun. Okay, so go back. Just trying to.
I wanna do it like this. Do it like that.
I mean, the earthquake. This is the longest earthquake. It's rolling.
It's a rolling earthquake. Okay, so now I have a piece of paper. This is probably. I enjoy a lot of different kinds, but I like them to sort of be alike. So I think I'll do like a. I don't know, like a. I'll do a Christmas card.
Do your favorite.
Oh, my favorite is fall. Okay, let's do my favorites. Whoops. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Oh, it's Halloween. Okay. Halloween time.
There you go. There you go.
I have spider webs.
Now we're talking.
Halloween time.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween. Halloween.
Go ahead. You know all the
In
words.
this town we call home. Everybody sing to the pumpkin song.
Oh,
That's all you get today.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's so. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Mine's
looks
so
good.
much better than yours.
Oh, yeah. Not.
Let's put them side by side.
Okay.
Leave a comment, and in the comments, sorry there's kid music happening. It's just a little. Leave in the comments which one you like better. And if you do like his better, that's fine. But,
I mean, probably they'll like mine better.
yeah, probably. But if not, just let us know which one you like better. How about that? A or B?
A or B.
Or America Halloween. Whatever.
Oh, dear.
Thanks for joining us on a washi adventure. Have a great rest of your day. You.